Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Silverado, this generation right here from year 2014 to year 2019. If you need to find where the seat belt fuse is located, now two fuses will need to be checked, and the seat belts are part of the airbag system, these fuses as well. So guys, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This video is not a how-to video. You have to be qualified and certified to work on airbags and seat belts, because if you don't know what you're doing and if you're not qualified and certified, that can cause them to malfunction, or it can cause them to even explode, guys. So this video is for entertaining purposes only. Now, quick reminder for any of you that are qualified and certified to work on airbag systems: disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, and it's very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. Okay, otherwise you can cause modules to burn, and that can be expensive fix. We'll also talk where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now, guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So the seat belt fuses, where you can guys find them? We will be working in 2 different fuse boxes, and by the way, for any of you owning that truck, you have many hidden fuse boxes that most people don't know about. We recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Silverado. What you guys need to do specifically now: open the hood, and once you guys open the hood, here on the driver's side you have a fuse box under this cover. Remove it, guys, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 through 16 model, and layout like that one for year 2017 through 19 model. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now, guys, quick thing: if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way you do not waste money and time. So guys, here for the seat belt, which fuse we need to check? One fuse here, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check another one. Some models will have that fuse, some will not. It really depends on the equipment, airbag system and all that stuff. But guys, now please make sure you stay until the end. We want to give you one good advice, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. We'll demonstrate on 2014 through 16 model, guys, and the fuse that you need to check is that J-case fuse, which is fuse number 9 right there. If you have that equipment on 2017 through 19, the location will be exactly the same. However, this one is missing it, guys. But if you have that equipment, okay, that specific seat belt that requires the fuse, guys, okay, it will be right there, the one that you need to check. Now, guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind, guys. That way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.